Hello everybody, this is Chris from Stylharmony. Thank you for being here. So in today's video I am going to show you the result of the molds that we've made in my two previous videos, and I've already poured in some resin, so you already know how to do that. If you don't, I will put a link also to that video. And today I'm going to mold these few molds with you. So I already did one, I couldn't wait, and I saw the end result and I'm really happy with this. I might need to put a little bit of varnish on this one, especially here in the center, because I think I've got my glitter that sank in, but the result is really nice. I love it. I love the colors and it's not bad at all. And I have to trim out a little bit here because I think I've put too much in my mold, so it went overboard, but that's not a biggie because you can really cut this very easily with some scissors, and you can also sand it down if you really need to and make it smooth. So that's the first piece I've already done, and I decided I was going to stop there. So this piece actually comes from this mold here, you know, the very flexible one, and I made this mold out of this ring that I had before, and it's exactly the same as you can see, and it's not that bad at all. So yes, I'm going to see with the others. So let's see this one now. Okay, so that's not exactly the same mold. It's still made out of silicone, but it's, nope, it's not. It seems not to be that great. That's terrible. That was okay when I poured in my candles. Again, you can check out this video. For candles, that's good, but for resin, that's horrible. Look at that. I may have to really sand it down to take everything off, and I cleaned this one before, so I don't know why, or did I forget? So just in case, don't forget to clean them, specifically these, because they were made with cornstarch, so make sure there's no more cornstarch anywhere. Clean them out, because that's like this, I just can't use it. There's a lot of white sticking to it, and the shape is good, but that's it. Look at the other side. So I'll try to do something with this. I'll really have to sand it down to see if I can do something out of it, but that's not at all what I expected. So see these, I really like these. You know, it unmolds so easily. That's, oh yes, that's awesome. Yes, so absolutely I knew that was going to be my favorite, but now with resin I'm completely convinced. And it's smooth because it's not that, it is shiny, but because I have put a lot of glitter in here, I might come back and put a little bit of varnish to make it even shinier, but it's really nice. I like the result, and you unmold these so easily. Did you see? So I'm going to try this one, but let's hope for the best. Oops. Okay, well, it goes with my nails anyway, but it's much harder to unmold. Let me see. Ugh. Okay. It seems to be better. It's completely matte though. It's not white at all. Let me see if I can show you this on a piece of paper. Maybe it might be better. So I can see the shape, but it's far from being perfect. It seems like I have lost some details here. So I still don't recommend it. I'm sorry, but for candles it might be good, but not for resin. For air dry clay or Fimo, I guess it would be okay, or for this kind of clay it might be fine, polymer clay, but definitely not for resin. So let's go on with this one. Ooh, having some little issues here. Oh no, it seems to be normal. Okay. That's because I went on the top of it. I shouldn't have put that much. I should have stopped pouring my resin. So next time I'll know that. Okay. Now it's good. Let's take a look. It's not too bad. It's just my resin. You know what? I know what happened. I used the bad resin that I have. I understand now why it was sticking, because it's still not completely dry. It's a little bit sticky on my hands. I have two packs of resin, and one is really old and I didn't check before, so I will try again. There's no reason why this one is sticking, and there's a little bit of color in here. It's because that's my bad resin. So that's something important you should know as well, is that your resin has a how do you call that, a shelf life, so make sure that it's not going bad. Sometimes the color goes yellow. That's a good way to know, but if it's not going yellow directly into the bottle, make sure it's not too old. But otherwise, I kind of like it. I'm gonna leave it to dry maybe 12 more hours, so it'll be even better, and definitely put a coat of varnish on top of it. I wouldn't use nail polish for that because it tends to make a lot of little bubbles, and the whole batch was made with that silicone. So this one is quite deep. I think it's the, which one is this? It's not the little bottle. I think it's the pineapple, but it's sticky as well. Yeah, I should have done this with my good resin. I didn't check. I was such in a hurry to try it. Let me see. Oh, it's the bottle. It's not the pineapple. Hey, it's not that bad. Not perfect. I have something here that is not right, so I'll have to sand it down. But maybe you can see it's kind of, it is sticky, right? And that's because of the resin. But I do like the color. It's very translucent. And I might add some more color in here, but first I'm going to let this dry for at least 12 more hours, because it seems to be dry but not really. So that's okay, and I'll have to take it away from this paper. So that's it. If you use the right resin that is not too old, honestly these work just fine. Make sure again that you clean them, but that's even worse for these. I don't know, I'm not sure I'm even gonna keep them. There's a little hole in here, but that's not the real problem. But these are great, just like the one you buy. It feels like the same. Now you don't have any more odor to it, so that's good. There you have it, a very quick video, but I wanted to do this in front of you to show you the results. So these, perfect. These, not good. At least not for resin. Thank you very much. If this video was helpful to you, please give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you very much, and see you soon for other videos. Bye-bye.